I made flounder with lemon caper butter for my toddler. My toddler loves flavorful food, so it's really fun to cook for her. I'm a classically trained chef and I'm Jamaican. I grew up with a farm to table approach, so I'm all about using the freshest ingredients and applying technique. For this meal, I started with one washed sweet potato. I sliced it into planks, then cut the planks into strips. Then I added a little extra virgin olive oil and black pepper, no salt, and roasted in a preheated 400-degree Fahrenheit oven for 35 minutes. While the potatoes were roasting, I started preparing the asparagus by bringing a pot of water to boil to blanch the asparagus. Then I trimmed the asparagus, set them aside, and I waited for the water to boil. Then I started to prepare the flounder by trimming it and checking for bones. I always check for bones, especially when preparing meals for my toddler. The easiest way to check for bones is to run your fingers gently along the fish a few times, and you'll feel the bones. After I portioned the fish, my toddler had fun playing with it. The flounder is local and fresh, so it had no fishy smell. This is a great way for my toddler to learn about quality, just as I did growing up in Jamaica. Once the potatoes were finished roasting, I removed it from the oven and set it aside, then started to supreme a lemon for the sauce and blanching the asparagus. After draining and blanching the asparagus, I placed them back into the pot and finished them with a little extra virgin olive oil and fresh cracked black pepper. Then I set them aside and started to saute the fish. I added a little black pepper to the fish, no salt, and placed the pieces into the pan with hot olive oil over medium to high heat. After about 2 minutes, I flipped the fish. I waited for 30 seconds before adding 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter to the pan with the fish, along with the supreme of half a lemon, the juice of half the lemon, and about 1.5 tablespoons of capers and fresh chopped parsley to finish. I plated it with the roasted sweet potatoes and asparagus and served it to my toddler. She loved it. Give it a try, and thanks for watching. All done? Good job. You did great. Thank you. I'll take the plate. Thank you, my love.